Good morning, traders. It is market open at November the 20th, 2025. NVDA crushed earnings last night. And so the market is pretty positive right now, but we're going to be waiting for some pullbacks. Looking at Google and Tesla, and of course the Qs. Got some levels written down here for Google. We're looking at 300 bounce, 296. Maybe some 303 calls, 3025, I guess it's the closest. They're pretty overpriced right now, so let's see if we can pull back here. Spreads aren't too bad. I'm happy to go down to somewhere close to 300. Alphabet's falling, Tesla's ripping. Palantir looks like it might be breaking out. Okay, well, we're down to our levels at Google here. Okay, we're gonna open a small position in Google here. Currently minus, it's kind of flicking around a lot. It's pretty volatile, but minus 3% I'll go with. Minus 7%. I was a little eager to get in, so hopefully this bounces here. User bouncing. Minus 1.5%, minus 0.9. I'm not gonna add, not overly confident about this trade, so I'm in the green here. I'm just gonna leave it so I can hold it no matter what, kind of thing. 3 weeks TTE. Set my stop loss. I'm gonna really try and hold this for a while. Up 4.86%. If it gets higher, maybe pulls back in a bull flag, I might add, but average cost 782. I'm actually gonna get out. I don't trust this. So I just took a tiny paper cut, which I'm okay with. I was in a bit early. Feels good to get out basically at break even. Oh, I'm not gonna lie, I was a little early there. Let's see some more price action here. What do we got there? We got the 9 EMA right above it. So maybe we should be waiting for a break and retest of the 9 EMA. Okay, I'm in. Larger size this time. Average price 806. Up 3.6%. 2.3, 1, 2.3, 3, 3.6, 4.2, 4.8. Looks like it's crawling up. I got a nice large position here, so I'm going to have a pretty tight stop here. Average price was 8. I'll go with 785. I have resistance at 304, 305, but it might be a bit earlier than that. Yeah, I'm out for another paper cut. It's not seeing the buying coming in, and I had a big position. I didn't want to sit in that. So I feel like we need a double bottom before I enter this. User drop in. So I'm glad I got out of that because we're seeing the options drop off the map here. See if we can double bottom here. It's gonna have a little looky around here. So it's Google's breaking through a 2-minute lower range, opening range. It's testing the 5-minute. Okay, I'm back in. Okay, Qs are ripping. That's nice. Okay, I'm back into full size, up 0.19. Let's go. Qs are just ripping there. Hopefully Google joins the party. Put my stop in. $7.45. Let's go. See if we can take 301.5. Currently down 4%, 2%, 3%, 2.3. I'd like to see more buying coming in here. Turning green on the options there. Barely. Breaking through VWAP. Let's go. Not with a lot of power though. Barely. Struggling with 3015. Difficult trade. Average price 7.935. Up almost 3%. Really need to see some freaking buying come in here. I'm not seeing it. I'm getting cautious here. I really want to hold this for the pump. I mean, the Qs are ripping here. Let's go. Qs at all times high. Let's go. Let's go. Oh my gosh, the Qs are ripping. Come on, Googs. There we go. There we go. Okay, this is looking mildly better. 5.23. Seeing the buying coming in a little bit. Up 5.23, kind of just stalling there. Let us see it hit 302.5 here. Let's see how it deals with that. Looking pretty good here. So we're up at around between 7 and 8%. Stop loss trailing to 7.98. Gonna unload half when we get to the top of the 5-minute range or so. Cruising at 9.69%. I don't feel that good about this. Next pump, I'm going to try and get out of half. Smidge above 5% here. This is so hard to read the price action here. Push. Okay, we're up 0.83%. I'm just going to take out half here because I don't like how things are playing out here. Okay, I'm out of half. Reset my stop. Push it up to break even, which is 7.935. So I'll just put it at 8.15. See my stop here. So we're up at 7.12%, 8.3, looking around that area. This is a free trade for me. I'm at just above break even, so we can just let this ride. I feel like if the cues break this little flag here, that obviously the party's on then, so that should be good. Let's go. Let's go. 10%, 10.27. $11.5. Now we're looking at some green. Let's go. All right, now we're laughing. 12.7, 14%, 14.68, 15.3. $17%. Let's go. 18.4, 19.72. 20.35%. Breaking through the 5-minute top of the range of the orb, breaking through the 15, up at 22%. $23.5, 24.76. I'm going to get out here. I'm not going to be greedy. Selling at 985. $21. Just dropping my price to 9.8. $9.5. I got out at 9.5. Plenty good profits. Let's go. Let's have a look at the old ChatGPT profit checker. That was hard to read. I think I got out at a local top there. So on that trade, we got a 14.68% gains on quite a big position. So I'm freaking stoked with that. And I will see you in the next trade. Let's go.